Good morning, Jim. This is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO and Web Design. I wanted to shoot this quick video for you to show you some things that you could do today that would help bring in more customers to you and your business. A lot of times that I do this, the people sitting on the other side who I usually partner with are often asking themselves, why am I doing this and what's in it for me? But usually in the world of the internet, a lot of local business owners are too busy running their own business and to find out more about the internet and see how it could benefit them. So I found out by giving people this free attack plan of things that you can do right now has resulted in them throwing their hands up saying, you know what, Tyler, I like you. Why don't you go ahead and do this for me? So if at the end of this you like what you've seen, you can see that I have a couple tricks up my sleeves to get you ranked across Google, then please feel free to give me a call, or if you want to take this information and run with it, implement it into your own strategy, then by all means go ahead and do that. So go ahead and jumping off, I wanted to talk to you about content first. And in order to be optimized by Google, you guys need to have at least 1,500 words on this front page. And doing a word count, you guys have 207 words. So a long way off from that 1,500 mark in order to be optimized. But your number one competitor, which is Home Rebuilders, they have 600 words. So even they are not optimized in Google's eyes. So want to have at least 1,500 words, and that'll help you get ranked across Google. Right now, you are sitting at number 2, which is not bad at all. Still getting some good business, but we always, want to be number 1. So next, talking to you about the map pack. And so the map pack here is made up of NAPs, which is the name of your business, the address, and the phone number. And what helps you get ranked in the map pack is citations. And so I like to use a tool called Whitespark. And I did a search on Home Remodeling Atlanta. Your number one competition here, Home Rebuilders, has 57. And you guys are actually number 8 with only 6 citations. So want to have at least 100 to 200 more than your competition in order to be beating them out. And what I like about Whitespark is you can actually go here to Home Rebuilders, click on View Sources, and it'll lay out all of the citations that Home Rebuilders use. And you can go into each one of those sites and put your NAP in, the name of your business, the address, and the phone number. And basically steal all of those for yourself. But like I said, need to be beating them by at least 100 to 200. And so last but definitely not least is backlinks, aka link juice. And so we see, like I said, you guys aren't number 1, and this is where you want to be. And so link juice simply works like this. Site A is pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting like link juice to site B, giving it more authority in Google's eyes. And so it's really like a popularity contest, but it's a little more complex than that, because you need relevant sites pointing back to your website. So seeing that you guys are home rebuilders, you need to have sites that are relative to home rebuilding or bathroom remodeling, rather than like a Pizza Hut linking back to you, because you guys aren't slinging pizzas for a living. So I like to use a tool called Ahrefs, and it shows us how many backlinks you guys have. So I did a search on your website, and you guys have 151 backlinks. That's a little bit of link juice. And then your number 1 competitor, Home Rebuilders, has 455 backlinks. So a lot of link juice right there going back to their site, but you need to have at least 200 to 300 more than your competition in order to outrank them in Google. So in closing, we talked about content. You need to have 1,500 words or more on that front page to be optimized by Google. Citations, 100 to 200 more than your competition in order to be beating them out. And then backlinks, aka link juice, at least 200 to 300 more than your competition to rank number 1 across Google. So everything that I talked about can be easily done to your website, and that will get you number 1 in Google in the organic listings and number 1 in the map pack. So you could take this information, implement it into your digital marketing strategy you're using today, and by all means go ahead and do that. Or if you want to take the most effective route and save yourself some time, then give me a call and we can talk about how we can partner together. My number is 678-661-5695. And again, my name is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO, and my number is 678-661-5695. Looking forward to hearing from you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks.